We're now going to get started on the download. If you'd like to click on the link in the PDF, there you'll find two. One is for Europe, one is for United States. If you're outside of the United States or Europe, simply click on one, and on the top right hand corner you can change to your country. This opens up the Revit overview page. Here we can either download the free trial or directly subscribe. For this tutorial we're going to download the free trial. So I'm going to click on download free trial. Here are a few things to know before you start the download. It shows the system requirements. If you haven't already purchased a laptop or desktop, I'd advise you to go to a specialist to ensure that the correct specs are purchased. So the trial file size is estimated at about 8 gigs. They recommend a 10 megabyte per second internet connection. We'll then click next. So who will be using the software? A business user or student or teacher. So for this example, I will select a business user. Well, here we'll select our language. For this instruction, I'll be selecting English. We'll then select next. We're now being asked to sign in. If you already have an Autodesk account, simply enter your email here and continue. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to create a new account. We'll be asked for your first name, last name, email address. You'll be asked to confirm that email address, create a new password, and finally agree to the terms and conditions. Once you've entered in the information, click on Create Account. There we have our account created. If you wish to sign up to their mailing list, tick the box. If not, we'll select Done. So they want to find out your company name, state, zip code, phone number, and the country of residence. Once you've entered the information, we'll then select Begin Download.